Your subconscious mind is like an advanced artificial intelligence system, constantly working behind the scenes. It processes vast amounts of data, learns from experiences, and adapts to new information. This intricate system runs automated programs based on the information it gathers, ensuring your survival and efficiency. These programs influence your thoughts, emotions, and behaviors, often without your conscious awareness, guiding your daily actions. Like any artificial intelligence, its output depends on the input it receives. Positive input leads to positive outcomes. Conversely, feed it negative data, and it will generate negative outputs, affecting your overall well-being. The subconscious thrives on repetition, reinforcing patterns through repeated thoughts and actions. Over time, these repeated thoughts, emotions, and actions become ingrained as default programs, shaping your habits and responses. Think of it as your personal operating system running in the background, constantly shaping your perceptions and reactions to the world around you. However, unlike a typical artificial intelligence, you have the power to consciously reprogram this system. By being mindful of the input you provide, you can alter the automated programs, leading to a more positive and fulfilling life. Outdated programming in the form of limiting beliefs can sabotage your potential. These beliefs, often formed in childhood, are like faulty code that generates negative outputs. For example, a belief of "I'm not good enough" can lead to self-sabotage and fear of failure. These beliefs are not necessarily true, but the subconscious mind doesn't judge their validity. It accepts them as facts and acts accordingly. This outdated programming can keep you stuck in repetitive patterns, hindering personal growth and fulfillment. Recognizing these beliefs is the first step towards liberation. The good news is that the subconscious mind is incredibly malleable. Just like you can update software, you can reprogram your mind with new inputs. Two powerful tools for this are positive affirmations and visualization. Positive affirmations are short, powerful statements that affirm your desired reality. By repeating them regularly, you feed your subconscious new data, gradually overwriting the old, limiting beliefs. Visualization complements affirmations. It involves creating vivid mental images of yourself embodying your desired qualities or achieving your goals. Reprogramming requires conscious effort and dedication. It's not something that happens overnight, but with persistence, you can transform your mindset. Start by identifying limiting beliefs. These are the thoughts and assumptions that hold you back from reaching your full potential. Pay attention to your self-talk and the stories you tell yourself. Often these beliefs are deeply ingrained and can be challenging to recognize at first. Once you've identified a belief, challenge its validity. Ask yourself, where did this belief come from? Is it based on facts or assumptions? Is it truly serving you, or is it holding you back? Reflect on how this belief has impacted your life and your decisions. Next, create a positive affirmation that contradicts the limiting belief. This new affirmation should be empowering and reflect the mindset you wish to adopt. For example, if the belief is "I'm not worthy of success," the affirmation could be "I am deserving of success in all areas of my life." Make sure it resonates with you. Repeat this affirmation daily with conviction and visualize yourself living in alignment with it. Over time, this practice will help rewire your brain and shift your beliefs. Conscious awareness is paramount in this process. You must actively choose the new beliefs you want to install. It's not enough to simply repeat affirmations passively. Engage with them emotionally. Feel the truth of each statement as you say it. The more you consciously focus on the desired thoughts, feelings, and behaviors, the more you reinforce the new neural pathways in your brain. Consistency is key. Repetition coupled with emotional engagement is what solidifies these new programs in your subconscious. You are not a prisoner of your past programming. Every thought you think, every belief you hold, has the power to shape your reality. You have the power to choose the thoughts you think, the beliefs you embrace, and the actions you take, and the reality you create. Your mind is a powerful tool capable of creating the life you desire. By understanding the AI within, you can unlock new potentials and possibilities. You can consciously reprogram your subconscious mind for success, happiness, and fulfillment. Imagine the freedom of breaking free from limiting beliefs. Embrace the power of choice. Every decision you make is a step towards the life you envision. Choose thoughts that empower you. Let go of negativity and embrace positivity. Choose beliefs that uplift and inspire you. Surround yourself with ideas and people that elevate your spirit. Choose to rewrite your internal code and create a life that reflects your true potential. Your destiny is in your hands. The journey starts with a single, conscious thought. Choose wisely and watch as your world transforms.